Hi all, this is Vidya. Hope you all are doing good. So we will understand price elasticity of supply. Supply means the direct and positive relationship between price and quantity supplied. That means if price increases, quantity supplied will also increase, and if price decreases, quantity supply will also decrease. Clear children? So there is a direct and positive relationship between this both. Elasticity. Elasticity means change. If you stretch a rubber band, it changes now and then coming to the normal position. So elasticity means change. Change in supply. Change in supply due to change in the price of the commodity. That means if price changes, supply will also change because of the positive relationship. Now you see here the diagram we will discuss and understand clearly. Now see, OP is the price and OQ is the quantity supplied initially. Now if price increases from OP to OP1, my quantity supplied will also increase from OQ to OQ1. Suppose if price increases by 10%, my quantity supply will also increase. Suppose if quantity supply increases by 5%, 15% or by 20%. Now, by how much my quantity supply will increase due to change in the own price of the commodity, this price elasticity of supply will measure, because price elasticity of supply is a quantitative statement. That means it shows the exact quantity, that by how much supply is changing, increasing or decreasing due to change in the own price of the commodity. So elasticity of supply here, one formula to calculate. So E is capital here. Elasticity of supply is equals to percentage change in quantity supplied divided by percentage change in price. Clear children? We will understand more with the help of the numericals. Only you just remember that percentage change in quantity supplied divided by the percentage change in the price. This is the elasticity of supply formula. Now children, coming to the definition, you see here it refers to change in quantity supplied. Change in the quantity supplied in response to change in the own price of a commodity. I said here that elasticity is the change, so change in supply due to change in the own price of the commodity. Children, law of supply, we have understand the direct and positive relationship. It only tells us about the direct and positive relationship between price and quantity supplied. That means it only shows the direction. That means one increases, other will increase. But it does not tell us about the quantum of change in quantity supplied. Quantum means the quantity. That means it does not tell us about the change in the quantity supplied due to change in the own price of the commodity. That means by how much quantity supply will increase as there is a change in the price. So this is the price elasticity of supply. Now we will understand the first one, unitary elastic supply. Elastic means what I told? Change. Unit means unitary. So unit means 1. So change in supply is equals to 1. Clear? Equal sign means what? Equal means change in supply is equally change in the price. That means there are equally changing. Supply and price are equally changing. 1 here I can denote it as the price. Later on I will elaborate more. So supply is change in supply is equals to change in price. That means price and quantity supply both will be changed equally. With this help of a schedule, let us understand more clearly. Price of X commodity, quantity supplied. Suppose if price increases from 10 to 20, my quantity supplied also increases from 10 to 20. Now, if I ask you to find out the percentage, then how to find it out, children? You know very well as you do the maths, but still I am helping you out. So, first I will find out the price percentage. So, I am taking the base 10 here. What is the gap between these two? It's 10 into 100. 10 tens are 100, so 100%. Now, quantity of X commodity, base I am taking 10. What is the difference between these two? 10 into 100. 10 tens are 100. So, I can see here what? That percentage change in price is equals to percentage change in quantity supplied. That means if price increases by 100%, quantity supply will also increase by 100% and vice versa. Clear children? So, this says to be unitary elastic supply. That means change in supply is equals to change in the price. Now, if I draw the diagram. So you see here I have taken the x-axis, here y-axis, origin. Now plot this. This is 10, this is 20. Here quantity supplied and here I am price taking. Now here again 10, here 20. Now when price was 10, quantity supplied was 10. When price was 20, quantity supplied was also 20. Now if you draw this one we will get the SS curve. So it is passing through the origin. So that means what it says that the above diagram shows that when price increases by 100%, my quantity supplied also increases by 100%. Clear? So this is the unitary elastic supply. I hope it is clear to you all. Now second is the more elasticity of supply. Okay. Elasticity means what, children? Elasticity means, I told, change. Change in supply is more. More means zyada. So change in supply is more. So coming to the schedule again, let's understand more properly. So change in supply is more. So this is the supply. So my supply increases from 100 to 200 and my price changes from 100 to 110. So what I can see that my supply is changing more than the price. Clear? So elasticity of supply. Here it is 1. So I can see here supply is changing more. So supply is greater than the 1. Supply is changing more than the price. So elasticity of supply is greater than 1. Now if I draw the diagram, this is the x-axis, y-axis, origin, plot. This 100, 200. Here again 100, 200. Now when price was 100, quantity supplied was also 100. Clear? Here. When price was 110, quantity supplied was 200. So here I can take, so this is the 110. So I am very bad in drawing, you do it neatly. So you see this point. So this is the supply curve. This is the supply curve. This is the quantity supplied and this is the price. Now this is the supply curve. So what it shows? It shows that the elasticity of supply is greater than 1. Clear, children? So this is the more elasticity of supply. Here that means supply curve is flatter. That means supply is more elastic than the price. Now third number, see what it is there? Less elasticity of supply. Elasticity means change. Change in supply is less than the price. So change in supply is less. So now you can write like, so change in supply. Suppose my change in supply is from 100 to 120 and my price increases from 100 to 200. So what I can see here is that my change in supply is less. My supply is only changing from 100 to 120 but my price increases from 100 to 200. So supply changes less than the price. So elasticity of supply, and here is 1. So supply is changing less. So elasticity of supply is less than the 1. That means supply is less than the price. So change in quantity supplied is less than the price. Draw the diagram here and plot it. Y, x-axis, origin. This is 100, this is 200. 100, 200. Now when price was 100, quantity supplied was 100. Clear? Now when price was 200, my quantity supplied only was 120. That means my supply is less than the price. So when price was 200, my quantity supplied was 120. So here I can take it. Clear? Now if you join this, you will get the SS curve. So here it shows that supply is less than the price. So it is steeper. You can see the curve is steeper. So elasticity of supply is less than the 1. Supply is less than the price. As price increases from 100 to 200, but my supply only increases from 100 to 120. That means supply is less than the price. Clear? So elasticity of supply is less than 1. Now see fourth number showing that perfectly inelasticity of supply, or you can say zero elasticity of supply. Now inelasticity, what I told, inelastic means no change. No change. Inelastic means no change. So perfectly means completely. Perfectly means completely. So completely there is no change in supply. That means there is no change in supply. Or you can say elasticity means change. So there is zero change in supply. That means supply does not change. You can, now if you see completely no change of supply, so what you will plot here? Now you see my price increases from 100 to 200. But my supply does not increases. There is no change in supply. Can you see? There is no change in supply. When price increases from 100 to 200, my supply does not changes. Clear? I can take the example of the salt. Price increases, but salt is a necessary food, so I have to take it. So quantity supply does not change at all. So if I draw the diagram, you see here 100, 200, 100, 200. Now you see when price was 100, my quantity supplied was also 100. When price was 200, my quantity supplied still it is 100. So see, when price was 200, my quantity supplied again it was 100 only. So I can see it is a vertical straight line parallel to x-axis. Vertical straight line which is parallel to y-axis. Clear? So here we can say that elasticity of supply is 0, is equals to 0. That means there is no change in supply. Zero elasticity of supply. That means there is no change in supply. My price increases from 100 to 200, but my quantity supplied remains constant. That means there is no change in the supply. Clear, children? Now, fifth number. Now you see perfectly elasticity of supply. So perfectly elasticity of supply, you see perfectly means completely. Elastic means what? Change. So perfectly change in supply, or you can say infinite change in supply. So there are the two things. So that means what? When price completely change in supply. So there is change in supply. That means my quantity supplied increases from 100 to 200, but my price remains constant. See, my price remains constant. So completely change in supply. Supply will change. That means when price can be remain constant, or if there is a small change in price, so there will be infinite change in the quantity supply. That means here you can see completely change in the supply or infinite change in the supply. As price is constant, but there is a change in supply is infinite. That means it can change endless. So you see here supply changes infinitely, but the price remains constant. Y-axis, x-axis, origin. Plot 100, 200. Here 100, 200. See, when price was 100, my quantity supplied was 100. Here, clear? Now when price was 100, my quantity supplied was 200. So my price is constant, but my quantity supplied increases to 200. So what I can see, you can take more. When price was 100, my quantity supplied. When price was 100, my quantity supplied again increases to 300. So what I can see that it is a straight line parallel to x-axis. It is a straight line which is parallel to x-axis, and elasticity of supply is equals to infinity. That means when price remains constant, or if there is a small change in price, so there is infinite change in the quantity supplied. Clear, children? So this is the degrees of price elasticity of supply. I hope it is clear. Please note down this one.